Snapchat Tutorial 2025, How to Use Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, download and install the Snapchat app from your device's app store. Now open the Snapchat app. Sign up or log in to your account. The main screen is the camera. Tap the large circle at the bottom to take a photo, or hold it down to record a video. To add filters and lenses, scroll through the smiley faces next to the camera button. To add text, stickers, or drawings, use the icons on the right side of the screen after taking a photo or video. To send a snap, tap the yellow arrow in the bottom right corner. Select the friends you want to send it to, and tap the blue arrow. To view snaps from your friends, swipe right from the camera screen. Here you'll see all the chats and snaps from friends. To view stories, swipe left from the camera screen. You'll see stories from your friends and discover content. To explore the Snap Map, tap the location icon in the bottom left corner. This shows where your friends are if they've shared their location. To access your profile and settings, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. To add friends, tap Add Friends on your profile page. You can search for usernames, scan snap codes, or add from your contacts. To use Snapchat Spotlight, swipe left twice from the camera screen. This is where user-created short-form video content is displayed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.